Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the Google Chrome side panel button from appearing on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome, and you want to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the browser screen. So go ahead and left click on that. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and paste in a URL I'm going to have in the description of the video here, guys. So go ahead and copy that and then paste it in. Should take it right to the side panel option here. You want to click inside the drop down and select disabled if you want to hide this button, and then you would select relaunch. And inversely, if you wanted to enable it, you would click inside the drop down and set it to either enabled or default. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.